we have laid the foundation in the last 5 years for many sectors, and we will continue to work aggressively on those foundations and build a better state for us, for our people, and we'll continue to focus on the areas which we have been working on in the last 5 years, primarily to ensure that overall infrastructure improvement is there. We are working very hard towards the social sectors improvement like health and education, social welfare, and of course we are giving a lot of importance to the youth, especially when it comes to employment issues and the livelihood issues. So those are going to be one of the main concerns and areas where this government is going to focus on. And like I had said 5 years back in the same place when I had taken oath, that we have realized that the overall delivery mechanism, overall efficiency at the grassroots level is something that needs to be improved. We improved that in the last 5 years. The same schemes which were implemented in the previous years did much better in the last 5 years because of the accountability, the monitoring that we did. And we'll continue to ensure that the impact at the grassroots level of different programs and schemes is felt to the maximum level.